big data. And so basically, when you talk about big data, we are referring to large volumes of data, data from weather systems, communication systems, genomic research, imaging platforms. Many other scenarios generate hundreds of gigabytes of data. I mean, even with cars and, like, say Tesla, for example, it has sensors and it's getting a lot of information, and there's a lot of analysis. So this amount of data makes it hard to analyze and make decisions. It's often so large that traditional forms of processing and analysis are no longer appropriate. So open source cluster technologies have been developed to deal with these large datasets, and Azure supports a broad range of technologies and services to provide big data and analytic solutions. So let's look at them. So here's the three of them. So the first one is Azure Synapse Analytics, and it is basically to run analytics at a massive scale by using cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that takes advantage of massively parallel processing to run complex queries quickly across petabytes of data, right? And then you have Azure HDInsight, and it is a process massive amounts of data with managed clusters of Hadoop clusters in the cloud. And then you have Azure Databricks, and that is to integrate this collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics service with other big data services in Azure. So basically we have three different services, right? So Synapse, just to recap, Synapse Analytics is to run analytics on a massive scale using cloud-based enterprise data warehouse, and then you have parallel processing to help with that. So it's to run analytics. That's the main thing, running analytics. Azure HDInsight, it's to process. So here you're processing massive amounts of data with managed clusters of Hadoop. So HDInsight. So H2 could be Hadoop, maybe not. So process massive amounts of data, right? And then you have Azure Databricks, and that is to integrate this collaborative Apache Spark-based analysis Apache Spark-based analytics service with other big data services in Azure. So we're talking integrating, processing, and running. Okay, so in the next video we'll talk about AI. So until then, see you next time.